Do you ever feel like your dreams are just out of reach? Like you're stuck in a loop of overthinking about your future and doubting every step you take? Trust me, you're not alone. And in this video, we're going to fix that. I get it. We all have those nights when our brain feels like it's on a treadmill. Thoughts like, what if I fail? Or am I even good enough? Can hit hard, right? It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of doubts. The truth is, overthinking isn't the enemy. It's how we deal with it that makes or breaks us. Here's the thing. Your dreams don't have to feel overwhelming. Let me share some steps that have helped me and countless others get out of that overthinking spiral and move forward with clarity. Start with micro goals. Big dreams are made up of small wins. Instead of obsessing over the entire staircase, focus on the next step. If your dream is to start a business, for example, ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today? Maybe it's researching your niche or drafting a basic plan. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Reframe your self-talk. Overthinking often comes from a place of fear. Instead of saying, what if I fail? Try asking, what if this works? Flip the narrative. This simple shift can change your mindset completely. Time box your worrying. Give yourself permission to think about your worries, but set a timer. For example, take 15 minutes to write down everything that's on your mind. When the timer's up, set those thoughts aside and focus on action. It's like clearing mental clutter to make space for creativity. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Every step forward deserves a little celebration. Maybe it's treating yourself to a coffee or just saying, hey, I did that. This keeps your momentum going and boosts your confidence. When I started my own journey, I spent months overthinking every decision. But when I started focusing on small, actionable steps, things changed. One day, I set a goal to just write a paragraph about my dream project. That paragraph turned into pages, and soon, I was on my way to something I thought was impossible. Always remember, if the path before you is clear, you are probably on someone else's. Now it's your turn. What's one small action you can take towards your dream today? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on. And if this video gave you that little spark of motivation, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this. Remember, the road to success isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every day.